Welcome to Ellicott Dredges here in Baltimore, Maryland. My name is Peter Bowe. I'm the CEO of this company, which was founded in 1885. We're 135 years old. We are the largest U.S. manufacturer and designer of dredging equipment. Most people think of dredges for ports and harbors, and certainly that's an important application, but also for mining, flood control, land reclamation, beach restoration, responses from hurricanes, all kinds of activities relating to moving dirt underwater. We got involved in dredging at the very beginning. We built all the dredges used in the original construction of the Panama Canal, so that's the beginning of the 20th century. And that was important to us for two reasons. First, it gave us an internationally known brand name, Ellicott, which we still use today. Secondly, it made us realize that the world, our market, was larger than just the United States. So unusual for most American companies, we've been focused on exports from our very beginning. And today, exports account for over half of our sales. So that means that everyone, whether you're a salesman or an engineer or a machinist, mechanic, when we show up for work every day, we know our jobs are dependent on exports, keeping our existing export customers and getting new ones. And growth comes from new export markets. It's interesting when you sell a dredge, it's a big red, white, blue machine, and it goes out the door, and our employees can see that it's going to Mexico or Indonesia or Canada, so they know for sure that this product is being exported. Well, we need exports day in, day out to keep the jobs we have. We have a couple hundred employees in the US, and as over half of our sales are for exports, our jobs are dependent on exports, and we grow when we succeed in penetrating a new market. We use the Commerce Department's commercial service primarily for two products that they have. First, they have a product called Gold Key, which helps us understand new markets. What are the opportunities, what are the challenges, who are the competitors, who are the customers, what are the regulations. They provide local feedback that helps us get up to speed quickly. Secondly, and even more important, is an advocacy program. So we compete mostly with foreign companies, especially from Europe. And when we do that, especially when we're competing for foreign government contracts, like for harbor authorities, our foreign competitors get the support of their governments, even support from a prime minister. And what do we do in response? You can think of Airbus versus Boeing, or Caterpillar versus Komatsu, that kind of competition, and on a smaller scale. So the Commerce Department, through the Commercial Service, offers a program called Advocacy. And so when we explain a situation to them where the U.S. government support of our proposal can be helpful, they step in, coordinate it, and provide the necessary support.